I'm Eddie, I'm 13.
I'm Evie and I'm 11.
There are two. Karen is 17, almost 18, and 18 months. Usually we look after brothers and sisters. Well, sometimes they stay for about 3 years or less. It's just normal. There's not really much else that goes on. It's just has special needs, so he needs extra looking after, and we don't really see Tyrion that much. So he lives here. He sometimes go to his mum's house, but he's at college a lot as well. Well, we both go to Scouts, but on different days. Um, I do guitar and Evie does violin. Into Julia's house, so you get extra opportunities to do with Julia's house.
We went to see Diversity.
We've stayed in touch with pretty much everyone who we have looked after. If people are thinking about it, you should 100% do it. It's a good opportunity. It's yeah, it does add something to your life.